everyone, I am Mary and this is my groupmates.
I'm John Kilias.
I'm Lawrence Mateo.
I'm Bimbel Kunanan.
And today, we're gonna bake a cake.
So let's start!
So before we bake the chocolate cake, here are the ingredients.
Hello guys! Ako si Emil. Alam niyo na pala. Ito, lalagay tayo ng flour. 2 cups of flour or 310 grams. Strain muna natin. Tapos, cocoa powder, 1 cup. Lagay nice to strain din. So guys, tutuloy natin. Baking powder, baking soda, 2 tablespoons each. Lagay natin. Tapos, 4 na itlog. Patay itlog, nilagay na dito. For convenience. Diba? Tapos, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract. Tapos na.
So after all mixing all the ingredients, we mix it properly. And while mixing it, put 360 ml boiling water. Make sure to put the water slowly. And after putting the boiling water, we put a 360 ml chocolate soy milk. Slowly. And after mixing those two ingredients, we're gonna put a 180 ml vegetable oil. Make sure to mix it well to get the sticky texture that we want to get. We got the texture that we wanted on our mixture. And now, we're gonna put a small amount of oil, brushing the whole
Baking pan. Yan. So, yan. Okay guys. Ganyan. Lalagay na natin ang mixture. Tikman nga. Guys, we preheat the oven to a stable 175 Celsius. For 10 minutes, preheat lang muna bago ilalagay yung chocolate cake. After preheating the oven na...
Wait lang, isa pa malabo, isa pa game.
After preheating the oven, we're gonna put the chocolate mixture into the preheated oven. We're gonna cook it for 40 minutes.
One eternity later.
Ba't mo pinutol?
Super rare. Super rare. Super rare.
That's all. We hope you learned how to cook a simple and basic chocolate cake. Thank you for watching.